first of the video today, I congratulate my new viewers because I have decided to present 100 chess videos to my viewers by 2024. New friends, you can check the previous videos if you want. I hope you will benefit from my video. Now I am conveying my heartfelt greetings to all my subscribers. I am sorry for talking so much. Now we start the game directly. Let's check out the trap number 13 out of 100. White start with e4. Black response with e5. Famous Sicilian defense, then knight f3, knight c6. It's called the old Sicilian variation. And white plays the open variation with pawn to d4. Black takes and white recapture with the knight. Black bring out his other knight, attacking the center. Knight c3 defends it. Then we have d6, making free square for the bishop. It's called the classical variation. Now white goes for bishop g5. It threatens the black queen's line. This opening name is Richter-Rauser variation. Black plays a6, covering this b5 square, because many pieces of white were ready to come to the b5 square. Now we see queen e2, getting ready to make long castle, at the same time added defenders for bishops. Now black decides to move his f6 knight, because in case white bishop capture this knight, then black will have a double pawn structure, therefore knight d7. Now white bring out his other bishop as well. Black plays g6 with the idea of bishop g7, attacking the center. White advances his knight, and here black makes a mistake. He plays f6, attacking the bishop. An even better move for black was the pawn h6. However, the problem after playing the pawn f6 is that the e6 square becomes free for white. So white plays knight to e6, attacking the queen. Queen a5 is the only safe square for the queen. This time his other knight jumps again and lands on the c7 square, and it's a check, forking the king and rook. King's f7 is the only legal move. Now knight d8 check, and the king goes to d7. White should take the rook right. Well, there's a better move, and that is knight to e8 check. Friends, look at the board and see where the two white horse are dancing. And this is why black resigns here, because there are only a few moves left to checkmate. So you try it? Guys, let's go back 2 moves. Now, if black takes our knight by his knight, then he will lose his queen. And if he doesn't and moves his king to the g8 square, even then he will be in great danger, because checkmate cannot be stopped from here. Of course, you will have a lot of fun trying it. My new visitors, please wait for just 1 minute, because now I will tell you about my dream. The dream is to have 100K subscribers on my channel, so please help me fulfill my dream by subscribing. You have nothing more to ask for, but definitely meeting in the next video if I live till then. Always be good. Tata and bye-bye.